job.
I got it.
You got it too? Okay, put it in the drawer. Put it in the drawer before you drop them. Put them in the drawer, Baba. Good job. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Is that a little water? Alright, come on. Put the dishes. What is that? Alright, come on. Keep doing. Keep going, buddy.
Spinning.
Spinning, that's right. That's for the big plates. That's where the big plates go. No. That's going. No. That goes to the, yeah, lower. Good boy. You need some help? Oh, you got it. Just pick one by one. One by one. Here we go.
Mom.
Here, just go right here.
Mom.
Okay. I'll take it. That goes there, down. No. The lower drawers, my son. The lower drawer. This is a small plate, small. That goes there. Good job. Got it. Thank you. You wanna put it there? No, that's a big plate. Big plate goes here. Good job. All right. Can you close that drawer now? Could you close the drawer?
Mom.
Yeah. You get stuck. Where your plate go? Oh, your plate goes down. Goes to the lower. Your plate goes right here.
Mom.
You can do it. You need some help. I'll get it. All right. Can you close the drawers? Close. Close.
Stop.
You get stuck? Oh, it's fine. You got it. You got it. One more.
Mom.
Push. One more. Good job. All right. How about the dishwasher? Close the dishwasher. Good job. Thank you, Baba. Mwah. Can I make kisses? Mwah.
Mama purchased
No, it's empty. We're gonna do it later, okay?
Stop.